Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the options and how to turn sounds in our dialing keypad on. So we have our keypad here and it's silent, and we want some sounds when we push buttons because that's what we want. We have to go to settings, then sounds and vibrations, then system sounds, and dialing keypad is off. To turn it on, we tap this box, and now let's go to our keypad. And we have our sounds. So that's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.